Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to remove jam paper in or on your Epson XP-2100 Wi-Fi. You can see they were in a big trouble there. It's a big LED flashing festival. Oh yeah, because we have a lot of jam paper now in that printer here. We remove the jam paper carefully. Removing the paper vigorously may cause damage to the printer. So, we have a lot of paper we are going to remove now. Let's start with removing jam paper from the output tray. You can see there is a big bunch of it. So, okay, maybe we start with the jam paper from the rear paper feed. That's easier. Okay, let's go. If it is jammed over there, you grab the entire paper which looks out a little bit. Then you grab it and you hold it really good. And then you pull it out smooth and gentle. Okay? Because it should not break. Yeah, that's good. Good job. We removed the jam paper from the rear paper feed. So, maybe there is a little more inside. A little bit of paper is there. And you can use scissors, for example. But it's important to make this smooth and gentle, okay? So now, let's go to the front side of the device. The front side contains a lot of hidden obstacles to make jam paper. Oh yeah. Okay, let's start now. We go closer to it. We're removing now the jam paper while we lift it up. We open the scanner unit with the document cover closed. Be careful not to trap our hand or fingers when opening or closing the scanner unit. Otherwise, we may be injured. We never touch the button on the control panel while our hand is inside the printer. If the printer starts operating, it could cause an injury. Be careful not to touch the powdering parts of the avoid injury. So here we are. That's the first jammed paper. This jammed paper we have to pull out like before. Okay, it's easy, as you can see. You grab it in a wide area and then you pull it out. Okay, yeah. But maybe there is more. There are locations on the left side where smashed and jammed paper are possible, okay? Do not touch the white flat cable or translucent film inside the printer. Doing so may cause a malfunction, okay? Then we grab now the paper which is now in the inside of the paper area of the printer. Take care, do not break anything. Maybe use scissors. If you have scissors, it's good. Go to it, grab it, and hold it out. Good job. But there is another area where paper can jam. For this is behind that ink hub. We push and hold the round and triangle button until it will move out the ink hub, okay? If the ink hub move out, we can start removing the jam paper on the right side easily, okay? Then we remove it and we solve the problems all with this jam paper there. If it does not respond, you can use your fingers, okay? Take your fingers and slide this wagon onto the left side area. But it's not the whole line, it's only a little bit. And then you can grab this Jam paper. Here we are. Job's done. Okay, after this process, we have to reboot the system, of course, and then the problem with our paper will be gone. Okay, of course, we have to close the lid and then we can go back to normal using. That's easy, isn't it? I hope you will perform this like me here in a good condition with the Epson XP-2100 Wi-Fi printer. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.